Yes. Well, I don't know, see One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Yes, sir. Pretty levels. Yo, right now I'm gonna show you the best tune will come out of everybody. The best tune will come out of the camp where Arjay in a, where Tavii, Zoey in a, Chuckstar, Arjay and Hautotube in a. I'm gonna show you the best song will come out of the whole camp. You ready? You ready? I'm not even ready, you know, because I'm ready. This right here is the best song will come out of the camp. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get the ball rolling.
Yeah, we don't know shit in Negus.
Bumbuckler!
Yeah. Can you get listen to the other fetus? Yeah.
All the girl them greet us when them see us and them neat up. Hey, what the bumbuckler do that?
Yeah. What say? Hey.
One Nation and Imara Nation.
What say?
Hey. One Nation and Imara Nation.
Hey. Short nigga, big walker. Piss him on farmer shit talker. She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga. On which daughter? Flow stinker than shit water. Leave him pissed when I shit on him. Y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me like,
They blood clot, Chuckstar, we go. You tune better than this youth, your video better than this youth. Arjay, Tavii, Zoey. Now, tough up, I leave Arjay out tight. Arjay the only one who slap me with a copyright claim. I have to big up Arjay. Tavii, Zoey, Hautotube. No, I big up Hautotube. Hautotube not slap me in the blood clot. Wait, name be. Yet. So, hopefully Hautotube not slap me with a blood clot copyright claim. But, yo, on a tune bad like this, short nigga, big walker, piss him off, I'm a shit talker. She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga. Which daughter? Flow stinker than shit water. Leave him pissed when I shit on him. Y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me. Buckler, you go continue.
I went low key, came back and then changed the flavoration. Weed all the snakes, then my rise up in my nation. It is what it is, I don't need to be around no waste man. Make money stick to the plan. What me say? Eagle. Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teeth my style and I tell me thanks. Eagle. Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teeth my style and I tell me thanks.
What me do?
Me down to earth like the Flintstones. Me down to earth like my big toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend no. Everything real deal from head to toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Yeah, me down to earth like the Flintstones. Da Vinci tell me if you watch my friend do.
Yo. Me down to earth like my big toe. Me down to earth like the Flintstones. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend, no. Everything real deal from head to toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Yeah, me down to earth like the Flintstones. Da Vinci tell me for watch my friend do. The link to the music video is in the description. Make sure someone go watch it. Can we continue?
Straight up some corny niggas. You cannot hold back a flow. See nigga, the position that I'm in, the boss is in that position of power. You don't want me in it. I couldn't tell me where you were talking minutes. Now your girl pennies, I'm all up in it. Be very turbulence when I launch them. It's up with this so far. She saying her tone, she's tickle. I got some for the strap I could give her. Some weed that's a very good sex from a nigga. Like me that make between her legs run a river. Before she get bent in pretzel positions. I got some for the strap I could give her. Some weed is a very good sex from a nigga. Like me that make between her legs run a river. Before she get bent in pretzel positions. Hey.
Hola. What the bumbuckler am I dealing with? Whoa, bust some gunshot. Bumbuckler. Whoa. Boom, bang. I got something for the strap I could give her. Some weed and some very good sex from a nigga. Like me that make between her legs run a river. before she get bent in pretzel positions. You ever put a girl on her bucket and fold up her blood clot foot them so and shove it down in her blood clot chest? You ever blood clot have a girl on her back yet and fold up her blood clot foot them like this and shove it down in her chest and dig out her belly? Pretzel position, you hear that? Go continue.
Short nigga, big walker, piss him off, I'm a shit talker. She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga. Rich daughter, flow stinker than shit water. Leave him pissed when I shit on him. Y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me like, hey. I went low key, came back and then changed the flavoration. Weed out the snakes, then me rise up Imara nation. It is what it is, I don't need to be around no waste man. Make money stick to the plan. When me say Eagle, Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teach my style and I tell me tongues. Them teach my style and I tell me tongues. Eagle, Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teach my style and I tell me tongues. To earth like the Vince. Me down to earth like my big D. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend no. Everything real deal from head to. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Yeah, me down to earth like the Vince. Don't travel to tell me to watch my friend do. Y'all lost shred up some corny niggas. You cannot hold back a flow. See nigga the position that I'm in the boss is in it. Position of power you don't want me in it. I couldn't tell me when you were talking business. Now you grow pennies, I'm all up in it. Be very turbulence when I launch the miss. I put it so far she's saying her tones a stickle. I got some for the strap I could give her. Some weed that's a very good sex from a nigga like me that make between her legs run a river before she get bent in pretzel positions. I got some for the strap I could give her.
Bumbo club. I always have to represent Jamaica anywhere where blood clot go. You see, anytime when you hear my name get brought up, when you just understand say underrated should be right beside that bumbo club. I'm telling you this. Me deserve for hype. Me not hype. But anybody who feel like they want to come trample the G or come go against the G, first of all, I'm going to compete with people. Because if my cousin woman compete with you, that means that I consider you my equal or greater. I ain't going to compete with nobody my equal. If you ain't greater than me, just like how me a hunt, the people that are greater than me, I saw you for hunt me. I'm not going to compete with you because you're not on my level. I'm a bad bumbo clot artist, you understand? I'm one of the best blood clot Jamaican comedians them out there right now. When it comes to talent, and when it comes to Negusimara, make sure you put underrated right beside that bumbo club. I don't want to think about the music video and the song. You don't know it on every major streaming platform. The link to the video is in the description. You don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. Give thanks for the support and respect from everybody. Up move, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family up.